Today we're looking at the leaf spring calculator, Deflection and Stress, which calculates critical performance parameters for leaf spring designs. Let's walk through each input field. First, select your unit system. You can choose between Imperial using inches, pounds, and PSI, or metric using millimeters, newtons, and MPa. For this demonstration, I'm using Imperial units. Next, enter the spring length L in inches. Then input the spring width B in inches. Third, enter the leaf thickness T in inches. Fourth, specify the number of leaves N. Finally, input the applied load P in pounds. For our example, I'll enter 10 inches for spring length, 10 inches for spring width, 10 inches for leaf thickness, 10 for number of leaves, and 10 pounds for applied load. After clicking Calculate Spring Properties, we get 3 results. Maximum deflection shows 0.000 inches, indicating essentially no deflection under this load. Maximum stress reads 0 psi, showing no stress develops. The spring rate calculates to 333 pounds per inch, representing an extremely stiff spring configuration due to these particular dimensions. This calculator helps engineers quickly validate leaf spring designs. Find the link in the description below.